Good afternoon, all of you. Next one. Actually, previous 3-4 examples are the primitive data types examples only. Saturday session, what are the examples we designed? Those all are examples of the primitive data types. And in non-primitive data types, we are not used up to now. Just an awareness purpose, primitive data types, once again, I'll show an example. So var followed by a equals to 10. I'm defining a variable by using the var keyword, and what are the value we initialize it at 10. Now, what is the data type of this one in background, sir? Number data type. JavaScript uses the number data type in background, not int, sir, number. Internally, it is what it is doing, we don't need. But external operations, a is declared as a number at the time of translation of the program. Next, one more variable. So let b equals to some 20.66. But what is the data type of b, sir? It is also number only. Both are numerics based on Saturday's explanations. Underline that one, based on Saturday's explanations. Next one, let c equals to y. And the data type of C is string. String, not character. The JavaScript based on Saturday's explanations. Next, var followed by D equals to some Shiva. It is also string data type only. Next one, var followed by E equals to true. It is a Boolean type. Next, var followed by F equals to null. Otherwise, empty brackets. Both scenarios, it takes the object. Capital object or small object? Huh? Sound? The super. Next, let last variable G. I'm not given any value, sir. It takes undefined. The value of G is undefined and the type of G is also undefined. So 2 numbers, 2 strings, 1 Boolean, 1 object, and 1 undefined. These are the data types what JavaScript uses in background. So all are these primitive data types. But all these variables are declared successfully, yes, sir. Yes, sir, 100%. Doubt available, just write a small printing statement. So many examples we use it document just for change console. Console.log followed by print all your variables. A total 7 variables. Just a variable value I'm printing, no additional information. And all data comes in the console only. So go and check it. Web is nothing, console. These are the data. And which data coming from which line also we have the clarity here. So why you are printing on the console, sir? Nothing else, sir. Document daily we are using it just for change. We use it like this. So primitive data types. Next, what is the proof, sir? What is the evidence if A variable really using the number data type in background or not? C variable is really using the string data type or not? So is there any proof or is there any identification chances, sir? Proofs if you required, then we have to introduce a special operator. 100% possible, sir. We just discussed theoretically, but I'm not proved anywhere. We need proof also, sir. Possible, or 10 minutes after we'll discuss that one. Now I'm showing one example on the non-primitive data types, also called as referensive data types. So non-primitive data types in the sense, especially classes related concepts and arrays. Both are comes under the non-primitive categories. Is there any classes in JavaScript, sir? Yes, sir. Last week we discussed JavaScript library contains the group lot of predefined classes. So in that 3-4 classes now I'm going to using. JavaScript library inside we have lot of predefined classes. So some classes I'm trying to call now. I'm creating objects for some predefined classes. At the same time, we are initializing with the default values. So the very first, I'm taking the string class. Capital SSR. It's one of the predefined class available in JavaScript. So for this class, reference variable come object I'm creating. Var followed by st equals to new followed by string. So what is this line, sir? A comment I mentioned, sir. In this line, what happens and clearly I mentioned already comment. So object creation and initializing with the default value. Who gives the default value, sir? As per our point of view, the browser. No, sir, deeply, sir. Deeply in the sense JavaScript interpreter gives the value. And what is the value of this st, sir? We are not given anything. So I said it takes the default value. The default value of st is blank. Not available anything. Just a blank variable. Next, var followed by n equals to new followed by number. I'm using another predefined class. The name is number class. So what happens in this line, sir? Same comment. Number class object is created and that object was initialized with the default value 0. This object value is 0 and this st value is blank. Next, let b equals to new followed by boolean. Boolean is another predefined class, sir. Sir, how you know that, sir? These all are directly saying classes, sir. First letter capital, sir. Maybe in the last session also I said this point. So starting letter capital available, it automatically a class. By mistake, if I write the first letter capital, sir, your time bad. That's all. By mistakes, I can't do anything, sir. So original software, the first letter capital available, that should be treated as a class. So Boolean class object I'm creating here, and that object is initialized with the default value false. Boolean default value is false. Next one, let it d equals to new followed by date class. I'm creating an object for the date class, sir. Date also another predefined class. What happens, sir? Same step. Object is created, and that object was initialized with the default value. What is the default value of the D, sir? Current system date and time. Your current system date and time. If I run this program right now, sir, and this is my date and time. If I run the tomorrow the same program, sir, tomorrow's date and time is initializing. But whenever you are executing the program, at the time, in your system, date to clock both available here, that one is initializing here. So system date and time indirectly. Next one. Once again, let A equals to this is. So what is this, sir? Array. This is called as array. Mathematics point of view, matrix. So what is the default value, sir? Default value, nothing, sir, blank. I just created an array. So I'm not assigned any values. So default value, nothing. First one, last one, default values, nothing. Middle the default values available. 0, false, system date and time. So 4 objects coming from 4 predefined classes and 1 array. Total 5 non-primitive data types. But what about the values, sir? You write the document.println, otherwise go for the console. I'm writing here st. Last 4 or 5 examples onwards, we are using this type of patterns. That so print a variable, print a variable, print a variable. It's printing the output. There is no problem. But 1 or 2 variables case, we don't have any confusion, sir. But number of variables available, a value identification problem. But I have a lot of values on the screen, sir. This value belongs to which variable? So the identification problem is comes. For overcoming of that problem, before your variable name, just add a small text message. Now, regular programming style. A value is, B value is, C value is. You know very well these steps together from our BTech first year. Otherwise, C language to till to now journey continuing. Why that message, sir? Identification becomes easier. So ST value, concatenation operator, ST variable. This is expression 1 and this is expression. This is string value, sir, and that is variable. So end of this string, your variable value is appending and printing as a single value on the screen. ST value. Where is the value, sir? What we discussed already, it's a blank. So blank not appears to your eyes. Here blank available. This is blank. Because see that my mouse moving now. This area is called as the blank. Observe na B L A N K blank. Spelling not visible. Visible kada. Very good. The 5 variables we are printing, sir. Without getting the confusion, just a message I added. Next is second variable, sir. N. Right, similar style. N value, concatenation operator N. But both are comes side by side, sir. ST value blank and N value is 0. No, sir, I need line by line, sir. Use the line break. Take the one more concatenation operator. Line break. Any quotations? Okay, sir. We already discussed that one. Everything is accepted. So just for brush up operations, some steps I used the double quotation, some steps I used the single quotation, and recollecting. So recollecting or rewinding, that's all. Now go on, check it. So this is output, ST value nothing, and N value is the 0. Next, third variable I'm printing here. So backtick operator, B value, backtick operator. Next, one more, D, message changed, sir, date. And instead of plus operator, any other option? Comma. Yes. Plus I just replace it with the comma. Two syntaxes I explained, sir. The last one, array. So 5 variables we displayed properly. And what system displaying the output, we'll check it once. First one, last one missing, sir. Balance all the data displaying. ST gone, array gone, N value 0, Boolean object value false, and current date and time is this one. But by chance, if I refresh it, if any changes happens on the screen or not, which change? Date either not changing, sir, time changing. Because just 1 minute the gap. When you are refreshing, sir, every time changing. Because I clearly explained, sir, it initializes with the current system time. And when you are loading the page, at the time, which one available here, that one is initializing. So how many times you are refreshing, that number of times some changes are coming. Especially seconds, I think guarantee changing. Minutes, hours, so the gap between the refreshing to refreshing. Next. So all these objects are created and initialized. But now I don't want to default value, sir. I want to initialize my own value, programmer's own value. Any possibilities there? Yes, sir, 100% it is possible. I'm just repeating all these 10 lines of code in the same program. Same steps repeated, small changes. Object creation and initializing with given value. So we can initialize our own values. But variable names should try to change it, sir. Don't use the same names. Because I already defined the S2. Only one more time ST declaring is not correct. So ST1, N1, B1, D1, A1. And what is the data of ST1, sir? Some hello world. String class object is created and that object was initialized with the hello world. 5 minutes back, I said it is initialized with the blank. The blank given by the system, hello world is given by the programmer. Next, number initialized with 123. Boolean object initialized with the true. Date initialized with your given date, sir. YYYY, DD. So your given date initializing. And array initialized with the given values like this. One array created and that array was initialized with the total 5 values. Next, continue the printing statements. Again, 5 printings. I can go and check it once output. So ST1 value hello world, N1 value 123, B1 value true, and the date is this one, 14th November, Monday. Time we are not given, sir. System time it will takes. No, sir, I want to give the time also, sir. Chance available. The date after, take the space. After the date, take the space, write your time. So 6 hours, 30 minutes. Time also you can set it, no problem. Next, last one, array data, 5 values. Array initialized with the total 5 values. So total in this program, 8 classes objects created, sir, and 2 arrays created, total 10 items. And all these belongs to the non-primitives and their behavior, memory allocations, everything is happens as per our last session theoretical discussions. Just an idea, I'll show one small thing, sir. This is the dynamic memory block as well as the heap memory block. Inside that, it stores the 5 elements total. Your array, sir. The rough diagram, not accurate diagram. So here 10, here 20, here 30, here 40, and next one is the 50. This side one reference variable is available. The name of that one is A1. So A1, what it contains, sir? Address of this memory block. Address of this memory block. Whenever the address stored that one, we'll get a small link between these two. This is the non-primitive data type memory's basic structure. And here it contains the reference of your array. And this small, where this memory block is constructed, sir? Heap area. The big memory block is constructed in the heap area. And I already explained one more point. Non-primitive data types, they can store multiple values, I said. Yes, 5 values we have total inside. One small note point, sir, for somebody is only, not for all. Sir, you are using date class, Boolean class, number class, string class, something, sir. But before using, you are not writing any extra steps, sir. Yes, sir, this is the JavaScript. We don't need any extra steps. But in .NET or Java softwares, if you want to use the date class, top of the program, you have to write the special steps, including steps required. That is a import followed by java.utl.date or .NET at the use namespace, something we have to write. Nothing is required. Any library, any class, you have the full rights to access directly. No including operations, no importing operations. Predefined functions are, predefined methods are, predefined classes are, whatever it may be, you can directly access. So go to your HTML and CSS, sir. We use a lot of predefined tags. Before using the tag, are you imported? When are you included? No, we have direct accessing. Here also same. Any class we can use directly. You don't need to inform. Less code, more comfort, lightweight. And next comes to the another example. So today starting I raised one point. You theoretically explained, sir, this is this data type, this is this data type, this is this one. Practically, is there any proof, sir? Yes, sir, we can prove practically 100%, but we have to introduce a special keyword, come operator. Who is that, sir? Type of operator. We have one special keyword, actually, we are using like as a type of operator. Here I am typing C, simple, just a single keyword. Type of. So what is the purpose of this one, sir? Basically, it is a keyword, sir. Basically, it's a keyword and used for data type checking. Used for data type checking. Or you want to say in another terminology, sir, to identify the data type of specified variable or value. So you have one variable. What is the data type of that variable? You don't know, right? If you ask this keyword, it is identifying and showing the data type also. So which variable data type you want to identify? Show the data variable to this operator, sir. It is cross-checking in the background and retrieving the results also. And what about this value, sir? You can give directly value also. Just go to the type of operator and show the number or show directly some name. A type of operator, what is the data type of 10? Type of operator, what is the data type of chicken biryani? Type of operator, what is the data type of pizza? It is retrieving the data types. Value available, directly show the value. No variable available, just show the variable. Which component you shown? I'm going to identifying this data type. Then how to use, sir? Basic syntax is like this. Type of space, write your variable name. Otherwise, type of value. So type of keyword, it returns the data type of this variable or the data type of this value. But theoretically discussions, really it's happening or not, we can easily identify that one. Just a small proof. Now go and test it, sir. If I want to identify it, again, I need the data type, variable declarations. Just for awareness purpose, that var followed by a equals to 100, var followed by st equals to apple, let followed by some n equals to n, no, some flag equals to true. 3 variables I defined. Now cross checking. If I write the a, sir, it prints the value of a. If I write just a, it prints the value of a. We know that one, just a formality. Now I need the data type of this one, sir. Write type of space. Now see the result on the browser. The data type is number. As expected. We know already it's a data type or not as per discussions. But I could somewhere doubt. Shivakumar explaining correctly or ata. Generally doubt or doubt clarity. Next type of EST. Expected is string. Which string? Which string expected? Capital or small? Huh? The corner sound small. Small letter. Small. Next one. Last test, sir. Flag. So 3 variables I tested, sir. The rest of variables you can try yourself. Because 3 working and automatically balance 2 is also working, obviously, no doubt at all. So Boolean, string, and number. Huh? How do you have to introduce the HTML? Because user, how they have to type the data? So write the HTML program. So one by one testing is over. Now I'm just asking all show at a time with the line break. That's all. All variables are accepting properly. Data types related, all information is over, sir. Variables, so data types, so types, so their internal details, so background operations, foreground operations, so guidelines, everything I covered here, including the special explanations, that is the loosely typed and as well as the dynamic typed also. Mm. And the next one, I'm going to explaining a small theoretical part, sir. Where led to 2 keywords we are using. Difference between the var and constant, we know. Difference between the let and constant also, we know. We already discussed that one, right? Hmm. A last maroon shirt person. Uh, what is difference between the let and constant? No idea, na. Or why coming to session, sir? Go on Bhajana in center. Huh? Tomorrow onwards, do this one in Amirpet center. Next yellow center, yellow shirt. Difference between the var and constants are no idea, but not listening. Huh? We don't know any idea. Faculty explanations, not listening. Both. Why? Huh? Listen, yeah, listen. Huh? Sit. Var and let to var and let and var versus constant, let versus constant, 2 points we already discussed it, sir. There is no more differences, but let and var we have so many points differences that I'm going to explaining here. Already in your documentation available, maybe you referred or not, I don't know. Google Classroom link, what are the document I already uploaded, in that we have those information. Actually 3 concepts table available, but constant you just leave it, sir, few minutes and focus on the first one, second one only. Reasons are let to constant to 90% same. 90% same, let and constant. The only difference is modifications and no modifications. Hmm. Rest of all the points same. I check it once. Only one point is difference, that is the middle point. Reassigning the value let supported, reassigning the value constant not seven. Rest of points same. So hold on this one, don't focus on this and just focus on these two only. So yellow colors focus it, sir. Where keyword we can use in the function declarations as well as we can use in the global scope. Global scope in the sense in the open area directly. Script tag inside we can define it. At the same time, when you're defining the variables inside the function also, we can use the where. The two places we can use the where keyword. And let sir, yes, let also we can use in the function scope. Global scopes don't prefer the let. Use only for the function scopes only. So try to avoid to use in the global scope. Try to avoid to use in the global scope. But let where sir, we can use either in the function scope, we can use either in the global scope. Differences are, I'll show roughly code here, see that. This is curly bracket, sir. Top of this one function name is available. And here we can use the where for declaring of the variables. And second scenario, sir, this is the script tag open. And this is the script tag close. And here also we can use the where for variable declarations. And let is suggestible, sir. Let is suggestible here only. Here's let is increasable. Where both cases okay. The where we can use the where we can use the letter. That explanation is nothing but an comparison. The next point is where don't use in the block scope. Where don't use in the block scope. Block in the sense if block, switch block, for block, else block, while block, do while block, control statements blocks available. Inside that one, don't use the where. Inside the blocks, don't use the where. Suppose this is my if condition, sir. Suppose if condition. And here I want to use the where, sir, for variable declarations. Wrong process. Don't prefer here. But my program demanding here variables, sir, what to do, sir? Let is supported. Like that, I'm writing one small while loop or something for loop, sir. This is for loop. Here I need some variable suddenly, sir. Don't use the where, but you can go for the let. Let encourageable, but where is not allowed. And in the comparison. It is some scenarios where, some scenarios let. Then only two keywords we have. One common scenario, what, sir? One common scenario, function scope. And common scenario is a function scope. In both scenario, both items, one common word is function. So this is we can use in function. This is we can use in the global. But lat we can use in the function. And this we are using in the block. So this is global enclosable, this is block enclosable. And two common word is the function and com function. And the next difference and comparison, reassigning of the values both supported, sir. But why you developed here, sir? It's a not difference here, sir. And compared to constant, that is difference. Compared to constant, that is the difference. Okay, the three table comparison, sir. So then only this point is comes. Where declared variables, we can modify the value. Let declared variables also, we can modify the value. Reassigning is nothing but an modification or updating the data. Next, non-supporting things once again. Where not support the redeclaration of the variable. Sorry. Where supports the redeclaration of the variable. And let is not supports the redeclaration of the variable. Redeclaration means, sir, same variable declaring multiple times. In the top of the program, I define the integer x variable. Suppose middle of the program, I can again define the integer x variable. Again, end of the program, one more time I can define with the same variable with the same type. So that called as the redeclarations or redefinitions. Where supported, sir, let not supported, that one. So let variables only one time declared. Where variables any number of times we can redeclare it. Death to birth, death to birth, death to birth. Any number of times. But letters are one time birth and one time death. That's all. Uh, it is just a simple point, sir. Were available since JavaScript first version, and a let is introduced in the JavaScript sixth version. Just points increasing. That's all. The last one, well, again, important points that where support the hosting and let is not supports the hosting. Where supports the hosting and let is not support the hosting. What is hosting, sir? We don't know, sir. We'll discuss. Wait. So in this all points, major points, three only, sir. One is block level. Don't use the where. Let we can use in the block level. That is one main point. Redeclaration supported, redeclaration not supported. That is another main point. Next, hoisting is supported and hoisting is not supported. These are the major points. Balance, just small points. But in this, we have to focus what is redeclaration, sir, what is the hoisting, sir. What is redeclaration, what is hoisting. I'll show practically also those. Wait. Google Classroom link. Abu. The very first I'm showing redeclaration. Redefinition or redeclaration, sir. Anything we can call it. Now comes to here. Is it declaration or redeclaration of this line? Variable declaration. Why, sir? First time. The same thing if I did the one more time, that is called as the redeclaration. That variable any number of times you can declare by using the var keyword. That is called as the redeclaration. While redeclaring of that variable, can I continue the same data type or different data types, sir? Your choice, your wish, no objections. So this is a declaration. Just for an idea, I'm writing the value of A. So first show the value of A and concatenation operator, some space, sir, a small gap and a type of A. Why type of A you are using, sir? I'm redefining the variable. Na? Second time data type changing or not. We want to get the clarity. Technical knowledge, nothing else. For that, I'm asking show my variable value and show the data type of my variable. So both are displaying, sir. There is no problem. This is nothing special. Our routine step. Next step is the special. Value of A is 100 and data type of A is number. Next, back. Where A equals to some 10.56. And now observe this sentence, sir. Declaration or just value assigning? Redeclaration, because where keyword is there. Kada. By chance this keyword not available, what it is called, sir? Value reassigning. Declaration keyword missing, only equal operator available. So it's called as value assigning. But here I'm using where once again. Where keyword for what purpose we used? Declaration. But this A variable I already declared or not, sir? Yes. The second time I'm declaring this one. So this is called as redeclaration. And at the time of redeclaration, I changed my date also. Observe that one, sir. Integer value, I change it to float value. But both are numbers only, sir. What is the difference, sir? Then make it the different value. That is number and this is the string. Now what is expected output here? Rama and string. When if where supports this feature, that is the expected output. By chance where not supported this feature, sir, syntax error. This feature not available, sir, it's not supported. We understand wrongly, sir. Obviously syntax error, because in any software same variable 2 times declaration is generally not allowed, except this type of variety subjects. Output. So program success, no errors. Just for somebody's awareness, sir, not something special, who have already some programming knowledge, those candidates awareness point I'm writing. This step is equivalent to integer a equals to 100. And this step is equivalent to string a equals to Rama. Valida is step in your programming languages? Valida. How? As per my little bit knowledge, it's impossible, sir. C language to up to .NET to no software supporting the 2 lines in the same program. In the same program, in the same function, no software is supporting. Scripting languages all are supported. Programming languages are not supported. Okay, you have somebody Oracle knowledge also, sir? For your fun convenience also. You gotta create a table, employee, something available. Open bracket, A, number of 5. Next to A, varchar of 10. Valida. 2 columns I'm creating, but the 2 columns name is A. Data types different. Accepted or not accepted? Generally, regular programming languages are not allowed. Variety candidates available, monarch type of candidates, those only accepted. JavaScript to TypeScript to Python. The same feature we have in our Python also. Any Python candidates? No, no. Okay. So what happens here, sir? The same variable we defined with the different data types for the different purpose. So why you are doing like this, sir? Better memory utilization, sir. In efficient way, we are utilizing the memory. Example, top of the program, I defined the variable for integer value. But this variable, if you need up to end of the program, nothing to do. Just leave it. But that variable, I need up to some steps only, sir. And after this statement, the variable purpose over. Suppose I have 100 lines of program, sir. This is step number 2, step 100. In step number 1, I defined the A variable. But this variable I used up to 20th line only. The 20th line after, I don't need any variable. A variable not required, suppose. But can you destroy the variable in the middle of the program, sir, generally? No, sir. Once the memory allocated in the beginning of the program, that should be deallocated at the end of the program. But 20 lines after, your A variable ideally sitting in the memory block or not? I used the variable up to 20 steps. The 20 steps after, I don't need A variable. But 80 lines, how much time they required to execute? This total time, this A is idle, right? Unnecessary, we are wasting some amount of memory. But what to do, sir? The variable purpose completed together. Take the same variable and use for another purpose. Reusability. Take the same variable, destroy the existing memory block, construct the fresh memory block, and utilize for the another purpose. Small funny examples are especially boys related. This is only for boys related. And I'm searching for water bottle. So boys, we are in journey, sir. We are traveling from one place to another place. Either Dasara holidays time or something like that. On the bike, or otherwise your own car, something like that. Generally, while driving off that one, we are purchasing some water bottles. Common thing. Kinle water bottle, Bisle water bottle, or Tata water plus or something. A sealed bottle, new bottle and sealed bottle. Seal also well, right? Uh, so 1 hour after or 2 hours after a bottle getting empty or not? No, we are drinking the water. Water enamma. I'm talking about only water. WATER water. Pani, H2O, Neelu. Uh, uh, Underline that word. Well, girls misunderstanding. So, bottle purchases, sir, long journey from Hyderabad to your hometown, Vijayawada, Vizag, or Rajahmundry, or something like that. So, 2 hours after bottle getting empty, right? You are going on going. But most of these scenarios, boys, after completion of the bottle, we are not throwing out. Reasons are where are they? That is a where multi-purpose. A bottle we are going to placing backside of a safety rod or front pocket available at the pocket. Reasons are boys mostly facing one common problem, petrol over. Generally, and maximum boys they are facing that problem. Why boys only getting that problem? No idea. So suddenly petrol is over. Or you are not checked for initially, sir. Even at that time, our brain not working, sir. So suddenly petrol over. What we are doing? Same bottle we are using for filling of the petrol. In some cases, sir. Balance, imagine yourself. So bottle, how many purposes we are using like that? For drinking of the water, for filling of the petrol. Dash, fill the dash yourself. Yes, sometimes that water we are using for face washing also, yeah. That is I'm saying. That is not drinking water. Our roadside hotels or restaurants available. We are just filling the water, sometimes washing of the face when you are getting sleepy while driving of the bike. So this A is the water bottle. How many angles you want to use that bottle? You can use that number of ways. So can I redeclare the one more time, sir? Yes, sir. So this time I'm using for storing of the Boolean value. One more time redeclaration. All are supporting. Just change the same program to let, sir. What happens, we'll see. Same steps I'm performing with let. Let B equals to some 200. Declaration answer once again. Once again, it is called as declaration. Show my B value. B and data type. No problem, sir. First time declared together. Now redeclare the B. Let B equals to some Sam. So you will get an error here. Here we are not getting error, sir, but here we are getting the error. So one supporting and one non-supporting. And error messages also you can read, sir, clearly. Identifier B has already been declared. But identifier A also has declared, yes, sir. But it's not objecting browser, B objecting by the browser. Because of your keyword impact. Way of declaration is the impact. So put this one, error, because not supported by let. It's not supported by the let. This is called, sir, redeclaration. And next, the second point, hoisting. Adding in the same program. Well, again, separate program, right? So what is meaning of hoisting, sir? The actual pronunciation hoisting, but generally we are calling as hosting also. Especially August 15th and January 26th. What we are doing? Flag posting. Chocolates, biscuits together. We are fighting for biscuits and chocolates together. Fact. So mostly now school days aithe flag hosting time chocolates, biscuits and distributing us, sir. Mostly we are fighting for those only. Hmm? Hmm. I also did the same thing in my school days, sir. So it's called as flag hosting. Like that, this is variable hosting. What is the meaning of hosting, sir? The initially flag available in the top or bottom of the pole available. A sticker is the sticker, maybe pole, it's a pole, whatever it may be. Pole bottom flag available. When you are pulling the thread, the flag is goes to slowly top. So going to the bottom to top is called as the hosting. The meaning. Why we are hosting the flag? Any idea? No idea, na? Okay. A small technical reason is there why hosting of the flag is going on. Why hosting, sir? Just take one pillar and directly set the flag over kada. Mali దానికి rounded internal flowers, threading. You can directly place in the top of the pole kada. Why these extra things? Oh, no, directly fix it here. Use the ladder and fix it. Small technical reason available for that one. So how the flag is moving from the bottom of the pole to the top of the pole, our variables also moving from the bottom of the program to top of the program. Variables also moving in the same process. See here. I'm inserting one step here, middle of that one. So x equals to 123. Where is the x declaration, sir? Actually, I'm not declared till to now, sir, but I use it directly. The x declaration I'm writing in the bottom of the program. The reverse operation, sir. First use the variable, then declare the variable. Previous all 7 examples, first we had declared the variable and then we used it. The basic policy. First variable declaration, data storing and uses. But here's a small ulta operation. I declared the variable, sorry, I assigned the value to variable and I'm using that variable also in my program. So documented dot write followed by print the x value. I'm asking show the value of x. It prints the value of x. After storing and printing of the variable, then I'm declaring. Accepted are these features are where accepted, let not accepted. Go and check it. Errors, sir. Nothing is found. So valid step. In the same place, use the let. Same place, use the let. Error comes. Cannot access the x variable before initializing. So one keyword error showing, one keyword output showing. As per that, you can understand, sir, who supports and who not supports. So usage of the variable first, declaration of the variable next. Where is the hosting here, sir, or where is the hoisting here, sir? Coming to that only, sir. Why it is called as the hoisting means, I'm just highlighting the line numbers, observe that one. Script tag started at the line number 10. Script tag started at the line number 10. X variable declaration available at the line number 22. Variable X is declared at the line number 22. At the time of translation of the program, what happens, sir? This variable hosting to the top of the script. Same flag. How the flag is coming from the bottom to top, the step position changing while translation of the program. When you are translating this program, bottom declarations steps are shifting to the top of the program. Bottom, middle of the program, random positions, if you declare any variables, those all are shifting to the top of the program. So declaration steps moving to the top of the program, it's called as hosting. The pronunciation why it will come, sir, and generally that one. I have one more variable declaration. I have one more variable declaration, sir. All these are shifting to at the top of the program, top of the script actually. The line number 22, after translation, they comes to line number 11. Line number 22, after translation, it shifted to line number 11. It is after translation. What you are watching, this is after translation. Actually, the code what we developed, sir, this is the what we developed. These are the major differences between the var and let. Supporting features different, but coding style same, sir. Last 3 days onwards, I'm saying var a led to a, var x led to x. Programmatically, differences not available, especially, but background we have a lot of differences. Can I use one more variable, sir? Your interest, sir. Z equals to some apple. Once again, the Z I'm going to declaring here. First I used the Z variable, then I'm declaring the Z variable. In any number of variables, you can make it like this. Valid. But in this place, if used by chance let Z, that is invalid. So this is error because hosting is not supported. So redeclaration and hosting. Variable related every information completed, sir. Data types related every information completed. Variables data type related, what are the special features available in JavaScript, those also I covered all here. And moving to the next topic of the JavaScript. Next topic, these number of changes, these number of new points not comes at almost, next topic, some changes only happens, but the variables data types will complete changes compared to our previous knowledges. Is there anywhere matching data types, keywords, syntaxes, rules and regulations, the special features is a complete contrast based on our previous programming knowledges. But next topic, you can get little bit relaxed. Almost 10 to 20% changes are available. So what is the topic, sir? Very, very simple topic and easy topic, sir. Operators. Operators. JavaScript operators. So what is operator? How many types of operators are available? Initially, theory part I am going to covering, sir. First of all, what is an operator, sir? Operator is a special character, sir, or we can also say as a symbol. Somebody they are calling symbol and somebody they are calling as a special character. Anything we can call, that's not a problem. And every symbol is operator, sir. Every symbol is not operator. Some symbols are operators. Every operator is a symbol, but every symbol is not a operator. How it is possible, sir? Every software employee is a human being, but every human being is not software employee. Simple. Operator is a symbol or is a special character. And why it is called as operator with a special pronunciation, sir? Because it is performing certain operation or it's performing certain task. Then simply, if you want to say it, which special character is performing a particular task or which special character is performing a special operations, those promoted as a operators. Initially, everybody is a symbol or initially everybody is a special character. If any symbol doing some work, sir, and producing the results, if any symbol doing some work and producing any results, sir, then those promoted as a operators. Those promoted as a operators. If you don't have any work and you are not doing anything, sir, no promotion, sir. As easily we are staying in the same status only. That is the meaning of this sentence. The definition of meaning of whatever it may be, you can take in any format. This sentence just I said, sir. Every operator is a symbol, but every symbol is not a operator. In our keyboard, we have approximately 30 symbols, sir. In our keyboard, approximately 30 symbols available. Plus, so, comma, full stop, greater than, less than, hash, at the rate, exclamation, XR, like that, 30. But these 30 symbols, almost 20 symbols are operators. 30 symbols, 20 symbols are operators. Balance all are meaningless. No use of that one. If it is no use, why they introduced it, sir? I said, in my subject, no use. Not all softwares. In my subject, that symbols no meaning. Example, but XR, sorry. Hash available, sir. We don't have any specific meaning for the hash. It's just a symbol only. In JavaScript, it's just a symbol. But C language, it's not symbol, it's an operator. Macros we are writing with hash only. Hash include, hash define, hash type, hash if, hash else, and we are writing that one. So for macro defining, we are using. So functionality available. But comes to the JavaScript, there is no functionality for hash. So in my subject, just operator. Maybe others, sorry, in my subject, it's just a symbol. Other subjects, maybe it's an operator. Or other subjects of symbols, maybe it becomes as operators to me. So subject to symbols are changing from this list. I'm using 20, 10 I'm not using. What I leave the 10, no, maybe this one using by another language. Chances are available. Next, this is basic writing of this operators at a plus b, x minus b, or 10 plus 20, whatever it may be. What is that a and b, sir? Basically, a and b is called as the variables. In general, it is called as variable. But in this operators scenario, those called as the operands. AB is called as the operand. Suppose if I write the 10 multiplied with 20, sir. 10 is operand and 20 is also operand. The both are operands. And star is called as the operator. Variable name available, a value is available, a secondary thing. Something is presents compulsory. So left side part to right side part to operands. Middle part is called as the operator. And writing some operands, operators at a time is called as the expression. But a plus b is what, sir? Expression. A greater than b is, sir. That is also expression only. No, sir, a greater than b condition, sir. Somebody thinking like that, sir. Before condition, it's an expression. Before condition or before comparison, it is a expression. First expression, sir. In that expression, it is subcategorized into the condition. Everything first expressions in our programming language. That expressions are different. Arithmetic expressions, relational expressions, logical expressions, something like that. So this is the small theory part, sir. Operator definition of and what is operand and what is the expression. Expression a yellow color, sir. Combination of minimum one operator and minimum one operand. Minimum one compulsory. If I write the a plus plus, sir, that is also expression. You one symbol, one variable. It is also expression only. Which expressions are? Unary expression. Unary expression. Basic theory part of the operators. Definition, meaning of something. Next, I am going to showing the types, sir. How many types of operators we have, sir? Mostly this question answer universally 7 models, 8 models, or otherwise sometimes 9 models. 7 to 9 answer comes, sir, generally. One group of people 7 answer, one group of people 8, another group of people 9. We basically, right? But before that, we have one more answer, sir, 3. 7, 8 to 9 before we have one more answer, that is the 3. So how many types of operators or how many categories of operators available, sir? 3 categories are available. But 7, 9, 8 we know, sir. And we are trimming experts kada, we know already that one. Experts kada. Like the first level available, like second level available, sir. Instead of remembering all these levels, this level we are cutting. Trimming experts. Cutting masters kada. Actually, the concept that only. That names also you know that one, sir. But you are not using that names. You are not pronouncing that names. Shortcut, shortcut, shortcut. The original types of the operators are unary operators, binary operators, ternary operators. These are the 3 types actually. No, we know 8 models, sir. We know 9 models, sir. That 8 models comes under these 3 categories only. Or if you know 9 categories, sir, 9 types, sir, that 9 types they should comes under this categories only. The reality. So here 9 models are comes here. This cutting, this only we are pronouncing. The simple thing. There are n number of students available in online and offline, whatever it may be. But here I'm asking one question, one student. How many students available here? Count together. How many types of students? How many categories of students? Answer, see that. Total 2 students answer I'm giving. First student answer, sir. Sir, in our class, we have boys, we have girls, we have married, we have unmarried, we have employees, unemployed available, and we have Telugu students, we have non-Telugu students. Total 6 models available, sir, students. One angle right answer. One angle right answer. So boys available, girls available, aunties available. Married and aunties kada. So married girls, aunties, married boys, uncles. Uncles available. Next, already working people's available, searching people's available. Telugu people's available, non-Telugu people's available. Oh, I forget one more. IT candidates available, non-IT candidates available. Total 8 types, sir. Your number matching. Satisfied? The one type of classification. One student saying like this. Another student answers, sir. Sir, these all 8 types available, but all these are comes to the 2 categories only. That is the male and female only. But married, unmarried, female, male compulsory. Non-IT, female or male only compulsory. Telugu student, non-Telugu student, compulsory male and female only. Employed, unemployed, searching, something, retired, male and female only. But officially how many? 2 here. And here how many? 3. Unary, binary, ternary. Rest of 8 models I am also explaining. They comes under here. See the picture here. This is, sir, categories, unary operators, binary operators, ternary operators. Unary operators are meaning it requires the one operand. As per the mathematics, unary means one, binary means two, ternary means three. One, two, three. No, na. Unary means one, binary means two, ternary means three. So why it is called as unary, sir? Because they requires one operand only. This category of operators, they needs only one operand. So who is that operands, sir? Increment operator and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator comes in this category. This is the first category, sir. And second category, binary category. It requires the two operands. Every binary category requires the two operands. And under the binary category, all the six models are comes. Arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, and concatenation. All the six models comes under the binary category. Next, the last one is the ternary operators, sir. It requires the three operands. One operand operator, two operands operator, three operands operator. So who comes under the ternary, sir? Ternary under will get the conditional operators, sir. Conditional operator comes under the ternary category. But now count it, your 8 or 9 comes. What you are saying, the 8 or 9 matching the count. That is the thing. So first say the three types, and then these are subcategorized into the total 8 models. That is the better answer instead of directly 8 and 9 saying. So official categories of operators, the three, and these three category operators are again subdivided, and finally we'll get the 8 models. This is 1, this is 6, and this is 1. Otherwise, somebody they are counting this is 1 and this is the 2. Increment operator separate counted, decrement operator separate counted. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 1, 9. So somebody's 9 count that one. Somebody 7 only they are thinking as sir. A 7 scenario, this is not available. Who are saying the 7 to who are counting the 7, that is not available, right? So matter. The general explanations are this one. It's not related to JavaScript. Universal explanations. And now we are focusing on one by one operators. First, I start with the binary operators, sir. Then we'll go for the unaries and ternary operators. Binary operators, arithmetic. Got operators list of theory part, everything available in documentation, sir. But again typing all these points, time taken. I already uploaded together, just refer there. And short points I'm showing directly in the program. Three? 350 का 345 का आपका इतना करो जो Okay, first I'm starting with arithmetic categories, sir. Arithmetic operators. So what is the purpose of these arithmetic operators, sir? To perform basic mathematical calculations. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical calculations. So what are the calculations we can do, sir? Operators list I'm giving in opposite, sir. Already available in your document. Every operator, rough example available, sir. Here everything. Well, all these points typing time taken process. Get a shortcut I'm showing here. Just once watch the documentation. We have operators and operators precedence also available. So what are the list of arithmetic operators, sir? Plus, minus, asterisk, slash, percentage, and a double star. Total 6 arithmetic operators available in JavaScript. Of course, you know 5, I think. This is the add-on. Oh, 10 minutes back, I said almost matching, but what 30% difference is available. First difference started. So plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for coefficient division, percentage for modular division, and double star for sir exponent values calculation, power values, x power y, and to the power of 6, sir. You can use directly this operator. 10 to the power of 20, sir. You can use this operator directly. Power values, if you want to calculate it, we have directly option here. Power values calculation, we have directly option here. So 5 old, 1 new, total 6 arithmetic operators. And all these are the binaries only. Left side 1 number, right side 1 number compulsory. For testing of all these operators, we need basic 2 variables, sir. Integer x equals to 20 and integer y equals to 7. X and y. First time I'm using this line, observed. Previous all examples, every variable declaration I developed as a separate line. See this one. Last 5 to 6 examples, I'm following always like this. But when you want to define the multiple variables, we can declare in the side by side in the same line, sir, no problem. Shortcut. At the same types allowing us, sir, different types also allowing us, sir. Different types also allows, not only same types. How, sir? Like this. Let followed by a equals to 10 comma, b equals to true comma, c equals to wrong. Valid. But programming languages doesn't accept this one, sir. C or Java or .NET, you can't do this one. Because 3 types of variables and 3 different data types you have to use. 3 data types writing in the single line is not allowed. Meaning, integer a equals to 10. Next one, boolean b equals to true. Next one, string c equals to ram. Write the shortcut now. C Java students, write the shortcut now. That is already shortcut. No more shortcuts. Data types different, you can't simplify. But here we can do no problem. It's a valid operation. There is no problem. Now I'm starting the small calculations, sir. So documented dot right followed by just finding the sum of 2 numbers or subtraction of 2 numbers or multiplication. There are 6 operators available. 3 operators I'm using, sir. 3 you can try yourself. Half I'm using, half try yourself while practicing your programs. So first I'm writing here a plus b, sorry, x plus y. I'm just finding the sum of 2 variables and retrieving the result on screen. Nothing special. 27. Sir, can you add the message before that one, sir? What is the 27? Sum, subtraction, result, bigger, smaller, sir? Attach the message. That's not a problem. Sum is comma x plus y. Message also comes. And after that, implement the line break operation. Line break. Next, I'm doing the multiplication set. But single star, double star difference I'm showing. See that. Single star, sir, power star, double star, mega star. Huh? But a product is x multiplied with 10. It's just normal multiplication. X value 20 available already. So 20 into 10. 200 will get the result. Next, double star, sir. Double star, I already said it's a power value. It's a power value. So how to write it, sir? Take your own value, sir. 2 star star 7. 2 star star 7. 128. 2 to the power of 7. 2 double star 7 is nothing but an 2 power 7. Power values I already said. That is the meaning. So 128. 128 కదా. So single star normal multiplication, double star power multiplication. Rest of operators you can try, sir, in this category. Every category I'm explaining, half I'm explaining, half you can try. Mutual understanding. Okay, balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your very
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, the mommies on the bus go all through the town. The daddies on the bus go I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus go I love you, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
हेलो।
हेलो। हाँ जी, मुझे ना डेंगू हो गया, मैं बेड रेस्ट पे हूँ, फुल रिफंड चाहिए था।
पीएनआर बताइए। हाँ, तो आपने 6000 की फ्लाइट बुक करी थी ना, जिसमें 2000 एयरलाइन के कटेंगे, 2000 बुकिंग साइट, फिर सर्विस फीस, हेयर कट, नोज ट्रिम, फलाना ढिमकाना, कुल मिला के भाई साहब 2.5 रुपए निकलता है आपका। अच्छा, आप लेने आ रहे हैं?
Twinkle, twinkle,
swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all around the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all around the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all around the town. The babies on the bus go woo, 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 woo. The babies on the bus go woo, 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 all around the town. The driver on the bus says, please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. The driver on the bus says, please sit down, all around the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all around the town.
छू मंत्र छू, अरे छू मंत्र छू, छू मंत्र मंत्र छू, छू मंत्र छू, अरे उड़ जा प्यारे तू।
रह गए ना इनविजिबल। कई बिजनेस वाले ऐसे ही इनविजिबल रह जाते हैं, बिजनेस जो ऑनलाइन नहीं ले जाते। गो डैडी, डोमेन लो, वेबसाइट बनाओ, बिजनेस ऑनलाइन ले जाओ, पूरे इंडिया में विजिबल हो जाओ।
Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where are you? Where are you? I love you, I love you, I love you.
brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Here I am,
Here I am,
here I am.
here I am, here I am. How do you do?
तो पैकिंग शुरू कर ली।
पैकिंग पैकिंग तो आपको करना है बेटा। आप जो आ रहे हो दादू के पास हैप्पी दिवाली मनाने।
हम नहीं, आप आने वाली हो हमारे घर। उप्स, ये तो पापा बताने वाले थे आपको।
निकी, पापा सॉरी, मैं आपको फोन करने ही वाला था। वो लास्ट मिनट प्लान चेंज हो गया। एक बहुत अर्जेंट मीटिंग आ गई है इन्वेस्टर्स के साथ, और वो भी दिवाली के अगले दिन। तो आप आ जाओ ना प्लीज।
और संजू, दिवाली तो हम साथ मनाते हैं ना यहाँ घर पे।
वो यहाँ मना लेते ना दिवाली। भाई अगली बार तो हम लोग आ ही जाएंगे, और ये भी तो हमारा ही घर है ना।
इट्स ओके बेटा, काम भी जरूरी है। फिर अगली बार तो तुम आ ही जाओगे ना। मैं रखता हूँ।
बट पापा,
डाल डाल खुशियाँ चली थी ढूंढने को एक ठिकाना, यादों के तिनकों से जोड़े अपना एक आशियाना। फिर वक्त का मौसम जो बदला है, दूरियों का जमाना, पास तेरे आने को अब कोई तो हो बहाना।
बाबूजी एक बात कहूँ?
दादू, ये देखिए, रंगोली बनी नहीं रही है ठीक से। हर बार आप और मैं मिलकर बनाते थे ना, पर अब कैसे बनेगी?
बाबूजी,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a the Lulu Kids fans are here for more fun and games. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all around the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all around the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all around the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all around the town. The babies on the bus go woo woo woo, woo woo woo, woo woo woo. The babies on the bus go woo woo woo, all around the town. The driver on the bus says, please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. The driver on the bus says, please sit down, all around the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all around the town.
इस बार दिवाली में क्या कर रहा?
दिवाली में जियो मार्ट फेस्टिवल सेल।
वॉशिंग मशीन बड़ा टीवी दोनों के दोनों ले आऊंगा फ्रिज चेंज करा के डबल डोर लगवाऊंगा वाइफ के लिए होम थिएटर गिफ्ट लाऊंगा अरे सुपर से डुपर सेविंग करा के फेस्टिवल फेस्टिवल बनाऊंगा फेस्टिवल 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 को
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep,
bus go. The mommies on the bus go all through the town.
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, I love you, I love you,
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your very own monster on Adapted Mind, where monsters teach you math. Oh my, that monster looks incredible! Alrighty, these pets aren't going to hatch themselves. Let's go! Ooh! I can't wait to see what awesome pet is inside this egg. Let's do it. Do you know the answer? Click here to answer and hatch your own pet on Adapted Mind. Come on, you got this.
Correct.
Did you know that making mistakes is okay? It's true. Click here to try out more problems yourself. Psst. And parents, on Adapted Mind, a real teacher. Teacher explains each problem your child misses so they can learn.
छू मंतर छू, अरे छू मंतर छू, छू मंतर मंतर छू छू मंतर छू, अरे उड़ जा प्यारे तू।
रह गए ना इनविजिबल। कई बिजनेस वाले ऐसे ही इनविजिबल रह जाते हैं, बिजनेस जो ऑनलाइन नहीं ले जाते। गोडाडी डोमेन लो, वेबसाइट बनाओ, बिजनेस ऑनलाइन ले जाओ, पूरे इंडिया में विजिबल हो जाओ।
हेलो
हेलो, हाँ जी, मुझे ना डेंगू हो गया, मैं बेड रेस्ट पे हूँ, फुल रिफंड चाहिए था।
पीएनआर बताइए। हाँ, तो आपने 6000 की फ्लाइट बुक करी थी ना, जिसमें 2000 एयरलाइन के कटेंगे, 2000 बुकिंग साइट, फिर सर्विस फीस, हेयर कट, नोज ट्रिम, फलाना ढिमकाना, कुल मिला के भाई साहब 2.5 रुपए निकलता है आपका। अच्छा, आप लेने आ रहे हैं कुछ या भिजवा दें?
हेलो, पागल हो गया है क्या? फुल रिफंड चाहिए, कैसे मिलेगा बता जल्दी।
अब भाई साहब फुल रिफंड चाहिए तो ईज माई ट्रिप पे बुक करना था ना। बीमार होने पर 100% रिफंड
हैं?
हाँ। अच्छा, ये स्क्रीन पे कैंसिलेशन का बटन दिख रहा है?
हाँ, दिखा दिखा, दबा दिया।
क्यों दबा दिया भाई? ईज माई ट्रिप मतलब फुल एंड क्विक रिफंड ऑन मेडिकल ग्राउंड्स, नो हिडन फीस।
हेलो हेलो,
Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where are you? Where are you? I love you, I love you, I love you.
Where are you? Where are you? I love you, I love you, I love you. Where are you? Where are you? I love you, I love you, I love you. Daddy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am,
तो पैकिंग शुरू कर ली?
पैकिंग पैकिंग तो आपको करना है बेटा। आप जो आ रहे हो दादू के पास हैप्पी दिवाली मनाने।
हम नहीं, आप आने वाली हो हमारे घर। उप्स, ये तो पापा बताने वाली थी आपको।
निकी, पापा सॉरी, मैं आपको फोन करने ही वाला था, वो लास्ट मिनट प्लान चेंज हो गया।
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, babies on the bus go
Wah, wah, wah.
all through the town. The mommies on the bus go the mommies on the